Why XRP is about to create overnight millionaires. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss if XRP can make investors millionaires overnight. What has the victory in the lawsuit got for you, and what impact XRP going public will have on us? But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. It is frustrating to know that the opportunity was so close, but you missed it. You hear this a lot. If you would invest just $3,000 in XRP back in 2017 and sell it at its peak level in 2018, then you could have made $1 million. Some examples are with Bitcoin and many other coins, but you shouldn't think like that. Don't concentrate on what was missed, but think about new opportunities. Now, when you know the real power of Ripple, let's talk about how you can become a millionaire with XRP, which is kind of associated with Ripple. The current XRP market cap is $11.8 billion, and the supply is 43.7 billion units, which gives us approximately 27 cents per coin. Let's compare the XRP market cap with other market players: Bitcoin, all cryptocurrencies, US dollars, and gold. Let's imagine that in 2 to 3 years, XRP achieves all its goals and adopts masses to use it for most transactions in the world, and its market cap reaches the gold level of $7 to $8 trillion, and the supply of XRP reaches 70 billion units. Then the price would be about $110, which means around 400 times the current price. If this is the case, you need to invest just $2,500 to become a millionaire. Sounds too optimistic? I think so. Let's take another more realistic case when XRP reaches a market cap of $280 billion with a supply of 100 billion units. In this case, the price of XRP would be just $2.80, which gives us 10 times. So, you should invest $100,000 to become a millionaire this way. But hey, can you imagine you have invested in Ripple $2.5 grand and things start to go up the hill? You see how your 2.5 become 25, then 100 grand? Can you imagine you don't touch your investments at all, risking losing everything? Not me. So, all those hype phrases do not make sense. Okay, you passed 2 times, maybe 5 times, but you definitely will start to take the profit out on 10 times and more. All this leads to a conclusion that each investment does not make sense without a good cash out strategy. If you'd like to be a holder like me, then a good strategy would be to take out 4% each time the market gets a 20% increase in price. And same with a 20% price drop where you buy 4% back. In this case, you'll earn a little on market volatility and will hold a majority of investment. This way, your every cash out amount will grow with the price, and you can repeat the cash out process infinitely. Let's see how it works. We have a base investment of $2,500. Then the asset goes up by 20%, and we cash out 4%. The situation repeats 10 times, so we have cashed out almost $3,000 in total. Then the asset goes down by 20%, and we buy 4% of our investment back. Again, it repeats 10 times, and we have invested around $2,000 in total. As you can see, we have almost the same asset amount that we had initially, but have 1 grand on hand. You can take 0.2% cash out for every 1% increase in price, and it'll be equivalent to 4% for 20% market change, or you can increase cash out percent if you want to be more aggressive with cash out. Basically, just create the formula which will show you what amount is currently to be sold or bought. The formula will just show you how many percent the current price of asset differs from your base asset price. Then just multiply 0.02 with the percentage count. And remember to reset base price when you buy or sell the asset. This is just an example to test the strategy. In real life, the validity is very chaotic. Any commodity in the world is price-driven based on its use case, scarcity, and popularity. The banking system has not changed its base infrastructure in over 40 years, which is an eternity in terms of the technological advancements of today. The whole setup needs to be completely gutted, and this is where the potential of Ripple, XRP, usage comes into play. Existing banking infrastructure relies on pre-funded nostro-vostro accounts to complete payments through the correspondent banking system. Connecting the banks with Xcurrent is the first step. Then once all the banks are connected, they can then switch to XRP for settlement. You need to let go of any preconceptions you have in regards to market cap, as this is a misnomer. Just because a coin token has a cap of $100 billion does not mean that amount of money has been poured into it. It is a simple calculation that confuses everyone and means absolutely nothing. It's pretty plain and simple to see that the coin token is worth X, and that is the end of it. As an example, the UK does not take all the circulating sterling and use it to calculate the net worth of the Bank of England. It just seems silly. Every coin token has the same amount of Satoshi in them. LTC, BTC, ADB, XRP. They are all the same. By this logic, we can plainly see that each and every coin can reach any level, and I do mean any level. There is precisely the same amount of steps to take, Satoshi increments, to reach $10 or $10,000. There is, however, one irritation, that is that every coin is currently pegged to the value of Bitcoin. When it goes up, the price of each Satoshi goes up accordingly, and the same is true on the way down. This will, however, disappear once every coin token is pegged to a coin like USDT, Tether, for example, which would give true value to every coin token as they would then become independent. Now, the uninformed individual will insist that XRP cannot get to that price point. Note how I mentioned banking only with such insistence. This is because not only the banks are using this commodity. Shops, companies do not like the fact that they must pay for the ability to use these small handheld card machines at 35 pounds per month, and they are also further compounded by the wait of 3 to 5 days for payments to clear for internet purchases. Why go through all that when they can use XRP to transact for free? Anyone can own a wallet for free. Anyone can use Ripple Ledger for free. You and I can send each other money for free. The cost of transferring money will be eliminated for all if they desire. Large organizations will prefer to use either XVIA or Xcurrent, which is subscription-based, but still cheaper than paying to use the current systems. Companies will now no longer need to pay their employees at the cost to themselves. Each transfer incurs a cost to the company, but XRP won't. Sorry, they may need to pay 1 cent if they have 9,999 individuals on staff. Heartbreaking, I know. Consider all these use cases and you'll quickly conclude that the price of a single XRP will be more than $1,000 in the next 3 to 5 years. There will be a drive soon for the average Joe to have the ability to spend XRP like they do with Apple Pay. Oh wait, Apple has already introduced the acquired APIs into ISO 11.1 to use RippleNet. So that wave of the phone can use your XRP balance to complete payment as of now. Lastly, I want to point out that Bitcoin is a ticking time bomb, and the country that has the button is China. 4 out of 5 large mining pools are located in China. This centralized mining ability gives rise to the inevitable collapse of Bitcoin or any other mined coin for that matter. Once they have finished mining all the Bitcoin, you seriously don't think they will continue to run the miners, do you? No, they are then going to move on to another coin to continue to make money. That's all this game is being played for. Money. You can't imagine the storm that will engulf the digital currency world when the mining stops and it takes you weeks to process a single transaction. Like a 30-day savings account, you desperately want access to your money, but you just can't get to it. All the while, the price of your coin is depreciating and you're losing money, dollar by dollar, pound by pound. It will be drained of funds. Or let's just say that there is a large natural disaster and a large portion of the mining in China goes offline. Same situation. If a coin is solving a problem, if a coin has a purpose, then it will do well. If a coin is just being used to store wealth, but you just can't spend it, well, what's the point in that? Bitcoin's time is ticking down as the new wave of coins tokens appear. Will it be EOS, Ripple, Cardano, or Knowles taking up the attack on fiat? Or will it be an entire army of digital financial system heretics? Interesting times lay ahead. Join the fight and digitize some of your financials. Ripple has made huge strides, and I can honestly say that I believe Ripple will become a household name like Apple. Ripple is the one whom I believe will crack the mainstream first, and it'll be a monumental time for the crypto sphere in general. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you guys next time with more videos in the future. Until then, goodbye!